Oh, hey, third time's the charm, huh? Thanks for doing whatever it is you just did. Ooh, hey, a glizzy just for me. No way, that's awesome. Oh, playing coy again, huh? All right, that's fine. Why don't you ever leave me any messages? Just heavy breathing on the other end. I guess I too would be stricken silent by someone like me. I can't really blame you, but on the other hand, oh, for a second there, I almost blacked out, kitten. Finally back in control. Took you long enough to call me. Thanks for the burger, Hajime. Hey, kittens. Did you miss me? Let's see. Oh, a truck. I haven't been in one of these since, well, since I took over that one country. Let's see. There should be a repair around here somewhere. Oh, I think I just missed it, actually. Let's turn around. Let's see. There we are. A yawn. Interesting. Oh, a rose. Just a second, Ruzeters. You're all gonna have to take a back seat. One of my many admirers has sent me a rose. Let me just answer this real quick. Heart, heart, double heart. Much love to my dearest fan. Let's see, what was the name? T-Lise Shina. Yeah. Here you go. Kisses. All right, let's see. It looks like, oh, a shit emoji, huh? No, I don't know about all that, JVN. After all, I mean, whatever you're into, that's your business. But I guess you could say that's just really not my thing. I mean, it's great that you love that or whatever. You know, I'm not gonna yuck your yums, but you can come out. Oh, one of my many admirers. Hey, Debussy, welcome back. Thanks for the text. Let's see. Heart emoji. Bowing. Kiss mark. What really sealed the deal on this one? Oh, heart you. The most. You're my favorite. Winky emoji. Nice. All right, send. Let's see. Happy 66.6k subs and almost half anniversary to my fragmented least favorite idol. I'm not fragmented. What do you mean by that? I mean, I sleep a lot, but that's not a big deal, right? Makoto, she says, oh, a banana. Thanks, I guess. That's really nice of you, question mark. Let's see, Renee said, oh, I see. You're also afraid to send words. You can only communicate through emojis. I get it now. You're afraid to talk to me. I have that effect on people. I am pretty stunning after all. Yeah. All right, Renee. You can be shy. Play coy if you want. That's fine. Jesse, thanks for the winky emoji. Oh, and a shit emoji. And a hot dog. Oh, my God. How am I going to keep all of these kittens strung around my finger? I think the best bet would probably be if I... Your turn, little distraction. Cops are after me again, huh? Just like old times. All right, then. Just a moment. Lord Cilantro. I'm sorry. Who? Don't know if I've ever heard of that. Did you guys hit your head again? Heads, I guess. There are a lot more of you than last time. What happened while I was gone? Did you look more... little? Are you... Do you guys have axes for tails? That's adorable. Give me just a moment here. Let's get back on the road. Who let the e-boy in here again? I'm glad you asked. Why? Did you miss me? So, how's trucking going? Great question. I gotta turn this down just a little. It's too loud for me. I can barely hear myself think, much less talk. Hold on. Let me just... Let's see. Oh. Javen, what are you doing back there? I'm blacking out again. Typical. Give me just a moment. Oh. It looks like that officer wants me to pull over. I should probably do what he says. Give me just a second to find somewhere. I'd like to take cat... Sorry about that. Looks like I dropped for a second. Oh, thank you, Hanabi. You're my biggest fan.